Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Charleston, Illinois Brown Shoe Proving Grounds. Bob and I are going to race the MEETOne Tour with the MEETOne Tour 2, the pro version. So,
yeah, prepare to get smoked.
well, you've got the advantage of the new model technology.
Exactly.
I got all the skill. So, you ready?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Let's get it on.
You're going
Let's get it
down.
on.
Let's get on down.
So before all of this high-stakes competition, I wanted to take just a moment and tell you a little bit about my friend Bob. Bob was one of the very first persons to take notice of this YouTube channel all the way back from the very beginning. And in those early days, I had mentioned that I was in bad need of a power washer. And Bob lives in the other side of St. Louis, which is roughly a 3-hour drive from his house to where my building is. And he was driving down the road and he saw a power washer on the side of the road. And he said, I know of a guy with a YouTube channel that needs a power washer. So maybe that's broken, but I think I could probably fix it. So he picked it up, drug it home, put some work into it, got it working, of course, as he always does, and called me and said, hi, you don't know me, but I have something I'd like to give you. Is that okay? And I said, well, you want to give me something? Come on down. And he showed up with this power washer. And to make a long story short, Bob basically never went home. I mean, he still lives in Missouri, but every time I come to the building, whether it's 3 weeks or 9 weeks, Bob comes up and spends the entirety of my time here at this building helping me. And since day one, has never asked a single thing in return, as unbelievable as that is. As a matter of fact, he kind of gets offended if there's any of the slightest suggestion of compensation. So yeah, it's been incredible, actually, and let me tell you why. So Bob is incredibly talented at fixing things. We haven't found anything that he wasn't able to fix. He's replaced the motors on all of our mowers. He's fixed a tractor. He's repaired hundreds of items around the building, whether it's the batteries for our power tools, he'll take them apart and fix them. All you have to do is look back at the YouTube channel, because we're basically doing this project on a shoestring budget, and that means that things break down. And I'm the type of person, when it breaks down, it's like, well, I guess it's time to throw it away. But not Bob. He's like, well, I can fix that. It's already broken, so we can't break it. Let's try to fix it. And so I've learned so much from Bob during this entire process. And in addition to that, he's an incredibly patient and good teacher, because I have basically zero skills. And from Bob, I've learned all about window glazing. I've learned about how batteries work, how to bleed pumps on tractors. I've learned that you can't cut tempered glass. And there are so many things that Bob has taught me, and he, over the last several years, has become an incredibly close friend, and he's just a wonderful, wonderful guy. And in many ways, he gets more love in the comments than I do on this channel, and deservedly so. So there's only so many ways to say thank you, and the only thing that even came to mind that I had that maybe Bob might be interested in as a token of gratitude was one of these MEETOne Trikes, because we got one, we did the review video on it, and I was thinking, what that would be awesome if we had 2 of those. And so I called MEETOne, and they sponsored a new trike. It's their 2.0 model, and let me tell you, hijinks ensues.
watched a video and I didn't see anything about this on the other videos. Maybe I missed it, but the most underrated thing about this new model is this right here. This is 1/8" steel plate, and it's like a cheese plate in photography. You can adapt anything. There's sliders for positioning stuff. The holes are tapped or threaded, and you could mount a toolbox on there. You could mount a canopy if you're into fishing, going out to the pond or whatever to keep the sun off of you. Whatever you can imagine, you'd be able to mount to this, and that makes it really awesome. This had limited ability to mount, but they have definitely upgraded, and I really love this thing because now we can figure out exactly what we need, and rig this guy up, and it's gonna be awesome. It has one giant battery back there. This button pad is way better. So this is the 2.0 version of their flagship model. And if you buy one of these, they give us a little kickback for the dumpster fund to help clear all the stuff out of this building. So if you're interested in one of these, the link is in the description below. Here he comes. Shh.
Whoa! What's this?
Voila! Check it out.
Where did this come from?
Well, I called him and asked if we could do a second video and get another one.
Another one?
Another one.
So is this exactly the same as the other?
No, this is a new version. It's the 2.0. And they just released it. So I was thinking, we need a second one. Now we can both buzz around. Because I know you're so mean when you get jealous.
Well, I mean, if we have two, you know what that means, don't you?
What?
It's race time.
I smell a race. All right, so a little bit of pre-race coverage. We're gonna show you a little bit about our obstacle course. We're gonna start right here. And the race starts off with the straightaway, right down the straight. And then we're gonna go into the embankment over here, around the elevator. It's a little bit dusty, so we're gonna do a little bit of drifting, and then we're gonna pull in. We're gonna do some more drifting, pull in, and we're gonna hit the second straightaway, which is where we really pick up our speed. What do you think, Bob, so far? Is it okay?
Yeah, I mean, I hate that you're going to have to eat all that dust I'll be picking up, but, that's
So-
that's the breaks of the game.
We come across the corner there, and that's when we hit the obstacles. These are like the dirt mounds in a motocross course. So these buckled up boards are gonna separate the boys from the men. And then we enter the slalom, which is basically, well, it's a slalom. It's not a figure eight, it's a slalom. It's back and forth through these pathways. And our final turn around, and there's the finish line. There's the finish line. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Chris is the winner.
Just remember, I'll show you where the finish line is after I cross it.
Well, I think the problem is that we've got to be careful. There are some hidden obstacles.
Don't start making excuses already. It's a little early for that. You can talk about it after the race.
Oh, it's easy to
Why
talk.
you couldn't go quick.
It's easy to talk. It's easy to talk, man. I'm gonna win this race, heck or high water.
Don't you sweat it, little beauty. We're not gonna let him win, no matter what.
Woo! Woo! So this is my sister Gail. She's gonna drop the flag to start the race. You ever done anything like this before? No. All right, well, don't mess it up, okay? Whatever you do, don't mess it up. Here's the camera.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is through here, turn, and then start running the slalom back and forth, and then the last thing will be a finish line right there.
What are you just waiting for? Let's go. All right. Okay, do you know the course, Gail?
Yeah.
before we go, no mulligans, no do-overs. Hey, when you lose, you lose. Yeah, when you lose, you lose. All right, prepare to go down.
First annual what? Brick and Soul 500. I'm ready for you, Bob. First annual Brick and Soul 500.
Are we pedaling or? Cheater, cheater, cheater. Are we pedaling or?
Fair and square, fair and square.
Are we pedaling or going full electric?
Ooh, that might be too fast. We pedal.
Yeah, just see what electric will do.
Yeah, let's just see what electro will do.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
On your mark, wait. I don't even know where the finish line is. I just see a tripod down there.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? One. You say go.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, it's a dead even. Oh, you edged me out. You're edging me out. No! Oh! Okay, so Bob's setting his camera up there on the ramp so you guys get a good wide angle. This is our obstacle course. This is the outdoor track. And it's, I cannot let him win this race. Oh, he's got the bigger battery pack, so.
Yeah, but I'm carrying a lot more weight.
You are carrying more weight. Well, you're like 4 inches taller than me, so.
Yeah, and about 40 pounds heavier.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No cheating.
No cheating.
You
Zero.
sure?
This is how much cheating? 0.
That you had 3 fingers in the air, so that means you've cheated all 3 races.
Yeah. How many? Yeah. How much cheating?
3.
Go. Oh, I got off. Yeah. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! The shame of it all. Shame on you. So how's it feel to be a winner?
Who's your daddy?
Come on. I'm not gonna live that one down. So,
Hey, cheaters never win unless they cheat.
Unless they
and then
cheat.
they win.
okay, so what do you think about this thing?
I mean, I've always thought they were fun, but yeah, this thing is awesome.
Well, I have something I wanted to say. This project, 100%, this entire industrial building would be absolutely impossible without you. I don't know, like you came into my life on this thing, and I know for a fact that I would have failed by now if you haven't done that.
You have will and determination.
Yeah, well, I do have iron will power, but like,
Unfortunately, you don't know your own limitations.
well, I was just thinking today that like the amount of work that we put in is absolutely insane here. And you have like never asked for anything in return at all.
I don't need anything.
You just like me to stroke your ego a little bit. But anyway, I'm just like incredibly grateful, Bob. And it's like your birthday's coming up, right?
It is.
How old are you gonna be?
70 years old.
70 years
This is a milestone.
You are so old.
I know. I'm so old my birthday, it's in Roman numerals.
Well, yeah, so the thing is that I'd like to give this to you as a gift. This is your bike now, so.
Oh, you can't do that.
Yes, I can.
Man, that's
So-
awesome.
It's all yours. And,
Man, thanks,
hopefully-
brother.
Yeah. Yeah. So, actually I have another gift because it's your 70th birthday. I have something that I'm bringing from Poland, but it's not here yet.
Okay.
But in the meantime, this is for you. You can take it with you this summer to Florida. You can even borrow that one so that Allison's got something to ride. And
Well, it's nice to know I'll be riding the winning bike.
oh, get out of here. You ruin everything.
Happy birthday to